In this video, we'll talk about some politics in our music.
Production.
Outstanding.
Welcome again to another video. It's a boy Eldorado. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification button, and follow me on our social media at eldohradoproductions. Now, in this video, being as you're here before, really want to talk about some politics and some things that can cause politics in the music. The first thing that can really come to my mind is about release dates. Artists or producers or whoever I work with always have a tendency to always want to choose a specific date to really put out song. It can be on a special day, it can be like a mother's, a father's, or possibly a birthday. You know, it can be a specific day of the week and so forth like that. Politics always come around when it comes down to release dates. Release dates can really vary. It depends still. It can really vary for a number of things. First and foremost, what can really happen is a particular song has come out from the artist from a particular day, and because of promotion and so forth like that, you want to job for your song probably the next 2 weeks. You can't really do that. And then, you know, say, boy, you and management have to really back and forth with a lot of things when you come on to release date. Sometimes it all collide with other songs because some stuff happen along the line and release date and so forth like that get really mixed up. And sometimes things like these even cause fallout among artists and management and producers or beat makers because of the politics of the release date. Now, another thing one would consider as politics in the music is like when you vice on juggling. Vicing and juggling, it can cause a whole peripherals a problem. Meaning that is either some man or someone or really like some people vice before them, or they don't want to fit on the same beat with some people. In which really and truly back in the day, this wasn't an issue. But now in modern music it has been becoming an issue. If you and a man not deal, it just feel like they're not fit on the same juggling because for them's headspace is like them are linked with the enemy. Or in a case like them in the same space because they're on the same instrumental, in which it is understandable, but there comes the politics in a music again. Another thing you can really consider as politics in a music again is you want support and you not support nobody. I mean, everybody wants to be out there as a musician, right? But if you, in essence, to wanting go out there or want your artist go out there and you're not supporting other people with different fan base from different platforms, how you expect you go there? You know, you can't say you're going to do TikTok video all day long or Instagram post all day long and expect say you go get a break instantly. No, it not gonna work, you know? So you have to really consider supporting your one another. And if you're not supporting your one another, you don't know, say, boy, what done to politics in our music. The next thing can really consider as politics in our music too is not sharing fan base. Based upon the previous things what I'm saying, that in one's circle, you know, you have particular people who listen to that particular artist, beat maker, producers music, etc. But just call everybody musician overall. I listen one particular musician in that space. Now, if you're not collab with other people in a different space not gonna know about you. So if you're not collab with people, you're practically not sharing fan base. Nothing is wrong with collaboration. Don't get me wrong. Nothing is wrong with collaboration. It's just who you collaborate with too. And saying that you do not collab with nobody, you know, it kind really lock you in a one space. You not really venture off and do no other type of music or get a different energy when it comes on to working with other people. Another thing again you can really consider as politics in a music is you don't really want to share the video space with anyone in your video. You know, one and two people can really make up like characters in your video. But if you alone go always want to in a one video, you know, say after a while, it probably might get boring to the viewers. It probably might get boring. So consider getting people in your video every now and then. Now all the while, big body girl for shake up in your video. Now all the while, muscle man for in your video. You see me? But just regular people, because regular people tend to always share the content than, you know, specific people who are in videos. You know, there's so much specific people can do, but when different people from different background can share to people in a fit them circle or fit them reach, you know, those people in those reach, it can reach more people in fit them reach, if you get what me I say. Last but not least, another thing you can really consider as politics in the music is you not working with other people outside of who the produce you. You know, working with other people outside of who the produce you can really make you gain a lot of knowledge. But if it's a sense you lock yourself in to that specific persons who they really produce you, it can really limit your potential, and it can really limit your potential to getting a different feel in the music. You know, singing or they sing song for a particular set of people can really, you know, it have the pros and cons. But for me, for the most part, it now give a wide variety of things really explore in the music, because there's so much market in the music. Sometimes we even occupy even very little of it. So doing collaboration outside of who genuinely a producer can really help as a musician to really get further. So if these pointers have anything to really do with you, or things you never really consider, and you might subconsciously do it, please do give it some thought and see if politics involved in the music where you are do. You know? So without further ado, it's a boy Eldorado. Until next time, I'll catch you in another video. Peace out.